channel. In today's video, I am doing a makeup tutorial, just like a get ready with me, kind of talk through tutorial on this makeup look right here. I just wanted to bring some color back into winter. I am completely over winter. Like, winter needs to go. I'm freezing right now in my house. I need to go get a sweater, turn the heater up. I thought like being under these lights would warm me up, but it's not. So I wanted to do a makeup tutorial just to brighten things up a little bit and get out of this like winter funk. So if you want to see how I got this look and brighten up your winter, then just keep watching. Okay, so I'm gonna prime my skin. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer, little sample size. I'm so all about the sample sizes. I'm gonna start with the eyes first, and I got these little shadow shields from Morphe the other day, and I'm actually gonna cut it in half. I was using tape before, and it was like scraping the shit out of my eye. Okay, I'm gonna take the Through My Eyes palette from the I Love Sarah E and ColourPop collection, and I'm taking probably my favorite shade from this palette, and it's called Sandalwood, and I'm buffing that all over the lid. Kind of just being like sloppy with it, because I'm not putting a lot of color on the lids. I'm focusing more on the lips. Now I'm gonna take this shimmer shade in the palette with my finger and just put it all over the eye. Blend those together. I don't want that shimmer shade like too intense. I just want it like really natural. So I'm just blending it out. Instead of using a black eyeliner, I'm gonna use this bronze eyeliner from NYX, and I'm going to just use this shield as a guide to make like a little kind of baby wing and just line the rest of my eyes. I'm doing it kind of messily because I'm gonna go back in with a brush and clean it up, kind of like smoke it out a little bit. Then I'm gonna take this brush. It's by Sonia Kashuk, and it is like my favorite brush for smudging out your eyeliner. These little shields make it really easy to do this too. I just like how it makes it like really soft and subtle instead of using like a jet black eyeliner. So I'm using a new mascara. This is the Urban Decay Pervision Bigger Blacker Batter mascara. It's all right. Did nothing for my eyelashes. Like, where are they? I might have to throw on some falsies. I want to get my skin going, so I'm using Frankie Rose Matte Perfection foundation. I'm mixing in a little bit of this Eddie Funkhauser foundation too, because I don't know, I've just been like mixing foundations, and especially these two together. I just got this new Morphe sponge, so I wanted to use it. I go back and forth with using like sponges and brushes to apply my foundation. I just wanted to use this because it's new. You already know we got that Tarte Shape Tape going on. I used to love this sponge, but I'm having like a really hard time blending stuff right now. What's up with it? It's just like not squishy. I'm gonna set everything with my Tarte Shape Tape powder. I take a bigger fluffy brush and really get in there to set the rest of my face. If you're an oily girl like me, you friggin' need this powder. Like, you need it. You need it. To bronze up my skin, I'm using an oldie, but such a goodie. This is the Shade and Light palette from Kat Von D. The middle contour shade is like my favorite contour and color to use as a bronzer. Getting rid of that double chin. Probably my favorite thing about this palette is this yellow shade right here. I love this for just putting it right here to brighten up your eye area. It's like a yellow banana shade, and I swear it totally makes a difference if you just like pop it right here. I kind of do like a triangle, like from here, like right there. Tell me you can tell the difference. Like this eye just seems like way brighter to me than this one. Right? Blush, I'm gonna use Milani Delicioso Pink. This is a really, really pink blush, so I only use a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna show you my new favorite way to highlight with this Laura Mercier translucent powder in the shade Glow. It's pretty powdery. Just dust it across my cheeks. It just gives this like super gorgeous highlight to the skin that I just cannot get over. I feel like it's just so like natural and pretty looking. I put this shit everywhere, like my forehead, nose. I just feel like since my skin's so matte with all the powders that I put on, this just makes me look like I have dewy skin going on when you don't. Like this stuff is so good. For a little extra glow, I'm gonna take this Pixie Glow Cake and just put it right here, just for a little extra something. I'm gonna put lashes on. While that's drying, my lash, I'm gonna put a little bit of that color Sandalwood right here just because my mascara fucked everything up. Lashes on. Okay, to make this makeup look just not so like gloomy, wintry, I'm gonna be using this Kylie Cosmetics lip kit in the color Jordy. This color is just gorgeous. Just watch. And this is the Velvet formula, which is my favorite formula from Kylie Cosmetics. I actually just really like the lip liner. It's so comfortable. But we're gonna use the lipstick. So this is the final makeup look. Totally obsessed with this look. One of my favorite looks of all time is doing super simple eyes and just a bright, bold lip. Like this makeup look is just everything. So that's gonna wrap up this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will totally subscribe back if you leave me a comment. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out, hippies.
Something about drinking water out of a cool thermos, I don't know, just makes me feel